Do you really believe sports drinks are the best for hydration? Hello folks, Scientific Health with a K here. This video is inspired by Eddie Hall because he's always dehydrated. Dehydrated. Most normal people stay hydrated by drinking at least 2 liters per day. You might be interested in drinks that have better fluid retention in case you don't have access to fluids for a long time or you don't want to urinate every now and then, especially if you're having a great exercise. Let's take a look at this beautiful study that investigated the efficacy of hydration on 13 different drinks, including soda, coffee, beer, and milk. Hydration efficacy was measured by the volume of urination produced after drinking this beverage and expressed relative to still water, which was considered of a score of 1.0. The hydration efficacy of the following drinks was not significantly different from stilled water. And these drinks are soda, tea, beer, coffee, juice, and sports drinks. Now, the ingestion of oral rehydration solution, such as full-fat milk or skimmed milk, was better for fluid retention when compared to water. Apparently, having macronutrients and electrolytes in a drink are better for fluid retention. So instead of buying sports drinks, you can consider milk as a great hydration efficient drink without considering all of these visits to the restroom. It's very important to remember that having macronutrients and electrolytes are great for your body as well as for hydration. Check out the other videos and learn more. Stay hard.